Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I thought I'd take some time to come out, enjoy the sunshine. It's a little cold here, but we're basically by the Portland airport. It's Washington on that side. But I wanted to take some time today to explain about a little gift I got for Christmas. So this is a Life Gear Medkit. What's really cool about this, you can get it on Amazon, you can get it a couple places, is that it's more than just a med kit. So this video is going to be breaking this down, kind of explaining about a couple other med kits and the differences and similarities and stuff, and what makes this one cool. So stay tuned. So what's cool about this product here, it's a Life Gear med kit. It comes in this red MOLLE pouch. It's got these little MOLLE slips on the back here, so you can hook it up to MOLLE. You can just carry this around your center console, your glove box, whatever. What makes this one cool is it's a med kit, but it also has some survival gear tools in it. And I think that that's kind of cool because most med kits you buy online are all supplies, right? Bandages, medicines, sting relief, stuff like that. But this has things like, it's got a flashlight, it's got a tourniquet, it has some bandages obviously, but if you pull this out, it's got some paracord, it has a fire starter, you can kind of see there, and then it also has a sewing kit. And it all just packs down into this cool little kit here, which you can see here. So it's got an emergency blanket, it has a poncho, it has an ice pack, which I think is cool. It comes with some EMT shears. It comes with this little flashlight. It's a Dorsey flashlight. It's plastic, not the best quality, but I think what's cool about this is it's a really nice base for a med kit. And then from there, you can really add things to this to make it a super durable, good kit. Like I said before, it has like your bandages and it has your wipes and stuff like that, right? So it's got the basics of this. But then what's nice is if you just get, you go on Amazon and get your own pair of medical shears for a couple bucks that are a little more durable and heavy duty, you can make this into a really cool kit. The idea is just that this has something so that you're prepared when you're out in the outdoors, when you're on a drive, if you roll up on a car crash, something like that. This will give you the basics to be able to do some sort of work or something productive to help someone out on the streets. Okay guys, so here's the med kit totally broken down. So everything on this side is from this side, and all the tools from over here are on this side. So, like I said before, this is the Life Gear Pro Survivor, and this kind of breaks it down into everything that it's got here. So med kit, flashlight, ice pack, some batteries, a razor, fire starter, whistle, some water pills, some water purification pills, sewing kit, tourniquet, tweezers, some paracord, a rain poncho, emergency blanket, all your med supplies, your bandages, your stitch fix, a couple bandages, some bobby pins, and some tweezers, or some scissors, as we have here. And then this is everything that it's got. So first aid, it's got a little bit of fire stuff, a little bit of shelter stuff, and it has all of these supplies in it, which is really cool. It's got the purification tablets for water, has a whistle, the sewing kit, a razor blade, some flint, a fire starter, some batteries, flashlight, poncho, and then you have all of those first aid supplies, which I think is cool. The butterfly closure strips, you have some gloves, some tape, some moleskin if you got like calluses and stuff like that. And then I think it's cool too because it obviously, like for safety, gives you a little bit of the drug facts. So it tells you it's got alcohol pads, sting relief pads, and then the iodine prep pads. So that is a total breakdown of the Life Gear Pro Survivor Med Kit. So being prepared is something that I think is super important and something that I've tried to really get myself into. So you'll see here, like I have a bunch of different like medical kits. This is one I made just out of a pouch. If you open this one up, it just kind of has two compartments where you have some medical supplies, some bandages, triangle bandages, Israeli bandages, kind of some of more like the trauma response stuff. Not necessarily just kind of a small med kit. This is another one I had. This is kind of cool. It's on this rip away pouch. So you can put on your like vest or something and rip it off. This one I have some EMT shears on the back, just easily accessible. And then this is kind of a larger trauma kit. So if you open this one up, it actually like trifolds. Same thing on this little pouch. I have like more medical supplies like bandages, sting relief, kind of some of the antiseptic wipes and kind of smaller supplies. But the rest of it here you can see is kind of more trauma stuff. So I have some Israeli bandage, I have a little rat tourniquet, some more bandages, some tape, some basically gauze and wrap. I have these like 4x4 pads. So this is also kind of just like more like a trauma kit, kind of stop some of the larger bleeding. So I have a couple of these around like my truck and my backpacks, my everyday carry kind of stuff. But I think, like I said, I don't really have a small med kit, and this is really nice because it's fairly compact, right? You can fit that in your center console, your glove box. You can put it under a seat, carry it to the gun range, whatever. But inside it's got kind of some of the smaller stuff that people don't really, your bandages, your wipes, you know, ice packs if you get hurt hunting or walking in the field, something like that. And then, like I said, it's got that survival stuff where it's got that flint and starter, and you're able to really kind of have a multifunctional kit. And I think that that's what makes this one really cool. By replacing that flashlight, by replacing the trauma shears, it makes this kit really super durable, but also a well-versed kit. And you can always add things to it, right? You can go get more string, you can go get more paracord. You can just really add things to this to make this a 100% killer kit. I think on Amazon, I think it runs from like $30 to $40. This is the Life Gear. I think this is the Survival Pro kit, which is kind of cool. I think they have obviously different levels of it, but for what this one is, for the cost price, I think this is a really great kit, and I recommend it to anyone out there that's looking to have just like a good little survival kit. Or if you're trying to make your own, you just don't really know where to start, buy this and work off of it. Go to, you know, different stores and buy extra supplies to put in here. I think for this one specifically, I'd like to add some batteries, better flashlight, better trauma shears, and then just kind of build off of the medicine. So I'd like to add some like Tylenol, some Advil, kind of some of that, more of the pain relief stuff, and then just kind of add to this along the way. Thanks so much, guys, for always watching my videos. It's fun and exciting for me to be able to get out and help people out. This is stuff that I'm super passionate and adamant about, is gear, preparedness, readiness. And I think that hopefully my videos help you guys in creating your own kits, finding ways to get out, just being better prepared, so that you can help people if you're ever in need of crisis, or you know, if you roll up on a car crash or get hurt hiking or camping. Hopefully these videos will help you be better prepared. So guys, as you can see in the couple of videos that I just posted, you guys can see the different spots to keep it in your truck or keep it in your car, and just how quick and easy it is to access this pouch because that's part of being ready and being prepared, is always making sure that it's not only usable, that the materials in it are still good, but that it's easy to access so that you can use it whenever. Stay safe, guys. Enjoy your day, and we'll see you on the next one.